Hey there, design enthusiasts, and welcome to Fixing Expert, your ultimate destination for all things home improvement and interior design. Today, we're stepping into the world of luxury living rooms and uncovering the secrets to creating a space that exudes elegance, sophistication, and comfort. Whether you're looking to elevate your current living room or starting from scratch with a blank canvas, we've got you covered. In this step-by-step guide, we'll walk you through the process of designing a luxury living room from start to finish, sharing expert tips, design inspiration, and practical advice along the way. So, let's dive right in and transform your living room into a luxurious retreat. Step 1. Define your style. The first step in designing a luxury living room is to define your style and vision for the space. Do you prefer a classic and timeless aesthetic, or are you drawn to modern and contemporary design? Take some time to explore different design styles, gather inspiration from magazines, websites, and social media, and create a mood board to help you visualize your ideas. Consider elements such as color palettes, furniture styles, and decorative accents that resonate with your personal taste and lifestyle. Step 2. Choose high-quality materials. Once you've defined your style, it's time to choose high-quality materials that will add texture, depth, and luxury to your living room. Opt for premium materials such as marble, hardwood, and leather for flooring, furniture, and accents, as they not only look luxurious but also stand the test of time. Invest in furniture pieces made from solid wood or high-grade upholstery fabrics, and accessorize with decorative elements like crystal, brass, and velvet for a touch of glamour and sophistication. Step 3. Focus on comfort and functionality. While luxury is often associated with aesthetics, it's important not to overlook the importance of comfort and functionality in your living room design. After all, what good is a beautiful space if it's not comfortable to live in? When selecting furniture and decor, prioritize comfort and usability without compromising on style. Choose plush sofas and armchairs with ample seating space, cozy throws and pillows for added comfort, and versatile storage solutions to keep clutter at bay. Step 4. Pay attention to lighting. Lighting plays a crucial role in setting the mood and ambience of a luxury living room, so it's important to pay attention to both natural and artificial lighting sources. Maximize natural light by positioning furniture strategically near windows and using sheer curtains or blinds to allow sunlight to filter into the space. Supplement natural light with a combination of ambient, cast, and accent lighting to create layers of illumination that enhance the overall atmosphere of the room. Incorporate statement chandeliers, wall sconces, and floor lamps to add drama and sophistication, and use dimmer switches to control the intensity of light according to your needs. Step 5. Add personal touches. Finally, don't forget to add personal touches and decorative accents that reflect your personality and lifestyle. Whether it's family photos, artwork, or treasured heirlooms, incorporating personal touches into your living room design adds warmth, character, and a sense of belonging. And there you have it, folks, a step-by-step guide to designing a luxury living room that's as stylish as it is comfortable and functional. Whether you're a seasoned design aficionado or just starting your design journey, we hope you found these tips and inspiration helpful in creating your dream living room. If you enjoyed this video and found it informative, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more home improvement and design content. Until next time, happy designing!